Guys, I just filmed a video. I thought I filmed a video and the card was full and it wasn't real. So, well, oh my god. I just filmed a video and it didn't actually film. So, I was originally saying, let's make some sugar scrub for the first time, but I've actually already done it. So, let me go get a new jar. Alright, hi guys, I'm back. New jar, new scrub. So, I've been wanting to make a sugar scrub for a long time for your lips, like an exfoliating lip scrub, because a lot of people have been asking me and it seems cool. So I was looking at a few different recipes and I kind of combined a few. So the first thing that you need, I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of sugar. There we go, nice and sugary. And I've seen a lot of recipes with coconut oil or cocoa butter, which would probably be really nice. I just didn't want to melt anything today because I'm being lazy. So this is like lazy lip scrub. So I chose avocado oil. It's really light and beautiful. So we're gonna add 1 tablespoon into our 2 tablespoons of sugar. Here we go. Nice. Now, let's see. I've got my little spoon. I've seen a lot of recipes where they use equal amounts of sugar or salt and the oil, but I thought that might be a little too liquidy, so we're trying this out, so let's mix. Guys, my camera keeps running out of space. I've made this lip scrub like 40 times. So, I really tried to do my eyeliner today. It was bad. Anywho, I've tried to make this video. I've made this lip scrub 4 million times today and my card keeps dying, so I think it's like over for today. Basically, you add your essential oils and then it's done. Put it in a jar. Put it in a jar. Scrub it on your mouth like this. Tastes pretty good. Exfoliate. Focus on me. Yeah. Peace out, guys. I'm done for today. See you maybe.